Hello, my name is David Samuji. If you're just joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. My channel is all about print on demand design, making passive income from your print on demand design. If this is something you're interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you've not done that already. So without wasting much of your time, we're going to go straight right into this one, and I'm just going to create something cool, something unique. It's not going to take your time. It's going to be super easy. So without wasting much of your time, let's go over and open canva.com. We're going to be using canva.com for our design. Yeah, this is canva.com. Yes, so we click on that and it's going to open on a new tab. Okay, so now that we have it opened on a new tab, we're going to hit create a design. So let's hit create a design. Custom dimension, the standard is 500 by 400. Yes, you had me right. So hit create new design. It's going to open on a new tab. This is going to be a super easy design, not complicated. It's going to go straight right into it, and I will just create it for you. So the first thing is to click on text. This is going to be a text based design. Please make sure you stick around to the end. I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro free for 30 days. Yes, you heard me right. You're going to get Canva Pro Premium free for 30 days. This is a gift from me to you, so make sure you stick around. So for this one, we're just going to find a cool font we're going to use for this. So let's scroll till we find a cool font that we're going to be using for this design. Okay, so let's scroll, let's find one. Okay, we can use this. We can use this. Okay, this is a premium font. As you can see, this is why you need Canva Pro. So I'm going to show you how to get this for yourself if you stick around. So make sure you stick around so that you don't miss that for yourself. I'm going to show you how to get that. So let's just scroll now and use another font for this one. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, this is premium too, as you can see. That is premium. What about this? Can we use this? It's premium also. Okay, so anyone you don't see. Okay, let's use this. Let's use this. So we're going to be using this for our design. So first thing first, you're just going to make it wider, bigger. So to do that, all you have to do is to move your cursor to this head, press down your left mouse click button and drag outwards. Okay, so now we have it like so. Now we're going to duplicate this because we need 4. We need this. So you see, this is one, this is another. So to duplicate that, we're going to press our Alt key button and our left mouse click button on your keyboard and just drag downwards. Okay, like so. So you have that like that. So now you see them just the way you want them to be. Okay, perfect. So you match them just the way you want them to be. So now we'll click on this first one and we're just going to type in no. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so now you see the way we're trying to get this together. Okay, so now you see it is super easy to create. It's not a complicated design. This is just one step done. We are almost done. So now you can change this color. You can change the color of the font to blue. Okay, I like this color perfectly. So you can change it to blue, and you can as well leave this one the way it is. Okay, so now we're not done yet. I'm going to duplicate it again because I want to create an effect from this design. So I'm going to duplicate this one. So I'll click on it, press down my Alt key button and my left mouse click button and drag downwards. And I'm just going to click on that, delete that. So I'm left with this. So I'm just left with the no. Okay, so I'm just left with the no. So now I'm going to move this no upwards to cover the other no. This particular no you see here, I'm going to use this to cover it. So let's do that. Okay, all right, so we have it like that. Okay, so just move it over that like so. as you can see, super easy, not complicated. So now I'm going to duplicate that again, and I'm going to move it down to this other node here. So to do that, I'm going to press my Alt key button, my left mouse click button, move my cursor down. Okay, so now that we have that clicked on, I'm going to change the color to blue. Okay, so now we have that effect. Okay, if I change it to blue, so now you see we have that effect. I'm just going to move it over that like so. Okay, so now you see we have that effect. Okay, perfect. So now you can see how it looks now. It's saying no Jesus, no God, no peace, sorry. So now you see no Jesus, no peace. So you can see we are trying to say two different things in one design. So you can see how easy it is, and it just took us about 5 minutes to get to this point. You can see it's not complicated, it's not difficult to get this done for yourself. It's super easy. Now I'll advise you, if you want to get Canva Pro for yourself, I will advise you strongly to click the first link in the description today. It's going to open on a new tab. Make sure you sign up with that link if you've not done that already. I always make sure I say this on every video so that you guys don't miss out on this gift. This is a free 1 month from Canva. You're gonna get it from Canva from me, so make sure you don't miss out on this gift for yourself. I'll advise you to get it, and get it now. Okay, so make sure you get that for yourself. Why do you need it? You're gonna be able to use it. Remember, in the beginning of this video, we're unable to use some cool fonts like this one and this one. We're unable to use them. That was because I was using my free version of Canva, which was limiting me to the designs and the amount of elements I can use. But with the Pro, which I've given you a link to get, you'll be able to do that. Obviously, I have the Pro version, and you're going to see that when this is transferred to my mockup, and on my thumbnail, you're going to see that I got rid of this white background. So I'll advise you to do that for yourself also. So with that said, the second thing is, when you click on download, to get rid of this white background, you should see this option and it should show gray. So you click on transparent background and hit the download button. But because I already have the Pro, I don't need to do that. So all I'm going to do for myself right about now is to hit the download button, and it's going to download for me. So it's going to prepare my downloads, as you can see. And now I can go over, search it up, and this is it. This was the one I did before, but I didn't like the audio, so this is it. And to prove to you that I already have it, I have the Pro. I already got the Pro. So you see this one, I have this one without the background, without the white background. So you can see for yourself that I don't joke when I tell you I use premium, obviously, and you want to use that. And I'm going to give you the opportunity to use that now. So you check the first link in the description, you're going to get that for yourself. You can see this video didn't take us a lot of time. This is just about 8 minutes plus to get this design done, and your design is ready. You can decide to add more elements if you deem fit. You can decide to just add something unique. You can decide to add a rose or something, just something unique. You can decide to add a ring. Okay, you just feel free to do it whatever way you want to do it. You can decide to add this ring to it. As you can see, all you have to do is to make this ring bigger. Okay, just make the ring bigger like that. Okay, so now you can just put your design like that. Okay, you can see how easy it is. Okay, you can see how easy it is to get it done. You can see how easy it is to get this done for yourself. So you can just do that, move this ring about like so. No Jesus, no peace. So you see how it is easy to get this done. So it didn't take us much time, just 9 minutes 27 seconds to get it done. So all you have to do is to just change things around. If you want to change the color, you can change the color. If you want to change the font, you can change the font. But get creative, make as much design as possible for yourself, and you're good to go. With that said, to your right you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist, and I will definitely see you on the next one. I'm just going to end this here. Stay safe, one love.